Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 4426 49th Avenue Southwest. The date today is September 20th, 2019. This is a post-cabling video I'm making, so I just cabled the line down and back a couple times, cut out some roots. Now we are going to do a camera inspection to take a look at how we did. So there's a second clean out in the corner behind the hot tub that's not very accessible, so we're going through this other clean out here on the corner of the house. I believe it's all plastic back there from that clean out to this clean out. So drop in a couple feet, you get into old concrete pipe. You can see we got an aggregate bottom of the pipe. That's just from 70 plus years of water running along the bottom of this pipe. Makes it rough. You'll notice the top of the pipe is pretty smooth. That's because water has not been running on that for the past 70 years. And that's all intact. Every 3 feet here we have a seam of the pipe. That's where the roots come in. These pipes were installed in 3-foot chunks. And here we're going down. You see some minor roots here. Looks like the cable did a pretty good job of cutting most of them out. There's a decent sized little guy. So you still see some roots in the pipe. The cable generally goes down the path of least resistance, so it's just going to kind of flop down there. I got a 3-inch blade with a good bend on it, so it should be cutting most of the pipe up here, or most of the roots out of the pipe. You'll see a lot of these seams are pretty clean. We're getting close out to the street now, almost 100 feet out. Pretty shortly here, we should be dropping into the Seattle City main. So there's our Seattle City main line running down the middle of 49th Street out there. That's everybody on 49th dumping in at once. That's why you see water running along the bottom of the pipe there. It's about 105 feet from this corner clean out, give or take. So you can see the lines open and flowing. I would recommend in the future, sooner than later, getting a liner installed in here or bursting the pipe and getting a new pipe in there. That concrete is going to wear out sooner than later. So that's the end of the recording. I'm going to wrap it up.